So this is a quick review of the Power Strip Tower Surge Protector, and this thing is a beast. As you see over here, this is going to be a surge protector with 12 different AC volts all around, so we have 3 on each side over here, and on top of all, we are also going to have 5 USB-A ports, so it's going to be really easy to go ahead and charge a lot of devices at once. And one thing I like about this is going to go ahead and be the tower style, because other surge protectors would have just been like a strip style, and although they do work, they kind of can get in the way a bit. But this one, just because it's tower style, it's easier to go ahead and move around, and you can definitely go ahead and fit a lot more things in this convenient form factor. It's not too big. I mean, here you can see it compared to the size of my shoe. This is a size 12 shoe, and then this is a, I don't even know how tall this is, but it's a really small, nice size. Here we can see the bottom, it does have these rubber feet, just to prevent it from kind of sliding in place, so it'll go ahead and stay stuck as much as possible. Now, as far as the cable goes, you are going to have different lengths. And here you can see the thickness of it compared to this. And on top of it, what it also does have are going to be these switches that you can individually control each section. So right here, if I press off, everything over here will be turned off, but I'll leave it on for now just in case I want to charge something. So right here, it is powering some stuff on each side. So we have like the modem, the router, a light. And I do like the tower form factor just because if you do have these big heads, you can just have it take up space just on one side instead of it being like on the powered surge protector. It'll go ahead and take up a lot on both sides, and it might be like uneven and tip over, whereas with this thing, with this tower, it's really nice and convenient. So yeah, if you're looking for a way to go ahead and charge multiple devices at once, power a lot of things, and in a convenient way, definitely check this tower out.